all. This is Arpita Meenoyan.
And this is Manajana of Std Iii-E. We are here to lead you all on today's morning assembly. I invite everyone present to stand up straight. Put your right hand down and let the voice echo around us. For pledge, I would like to invite Niranjanas.
India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are. Thank you, Niranjan. Please be seated, everyone. As we embark on a journey of knowledge, let's start our day with today's GK. For this, I would like to invite Niranjan R to keep us updated. Who won the 61st National Chess Championship? Answer: Std Iii-E. Which day is celebrated as the National Sports Day annually? Answer: 29th August. Repeat. Who won the 61st National Chess Championship? Answer: Std. Which day is celebrated as the National Sports Day annually? Answer: 29th August. Thank you.
Let's begin our day with positivity and a fresh mindset, reflecting on a special thought that our friend here would like to share with you all. I would like to invite Rudras to say the thought of the day.
Today's thought of the day is: if you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. So, believe in yourself and you will be unstoppable. Thank you. Christian thought. Dear friend, I hope everyone will impose this thought their daily life. In terms of news, a day keeps half knowledge away. Let's get updated with what is happening around us. I request all the children to be ready with a newspaper. I invite Dhananjay for newspaper reading. Welcome to the Hindu newspaper. Date on 6th September. Today's news headlines are: World needs pumping of 57 million tons of plastic polluting a year. World sees record August heat for the second year. New Zealand, Miami announced new tweet. John's birthday. Paralympics 2024, the historic golden win for India. When club was part of the crowd. Today's new words are advocacy and action that best in favor of emotive, cause and strong feeling. Time for celebration and happiness. I invite the birthday babies who are celebrating their birthday today or yesterday. Let's reach Bhavya to class. Third C. For this, I am inviting my friends to sing a birthday song for our dear one. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. The spotlight. Today we Our skit has revealed the truth about plastic and why it is not fantastic. After all, are you ready to make a difference? Now I request further to address the gathering.
Respected teachers, program and paid students, you bring out a nice concept which all should know, and we know that we should avoid or reduce the use of plastics. Is it right? Did you like the assembly? What you should like to give them, right? What do you like? Let us give them a nice smile. Okay, show a smile on all of you. Give a smile to the only third students and the teacher. Smile. You don't want to smile? Okay. And give them a clap also.